Kayo po ba ay nariyan
Ma'am
po sa
Maricel,
Senate
ma'am.
premises?
Opo, ma'am. Nandito pa rin kami, naka-lockdown na po as upon the instructions of Secretary John V. Cremulya.
Kayo po ba ay kasama ni Senator Bato de la Rosa? Where were you during po nung panahon na nagkakaroon po ng putukan dyan sa Senate?
We were discussing legal remedies, ma'am, no, because we had just received word of the Supreme Court decision. Tapos, naghiwalay lang po kami sandali. Pumunta kami sa opisina ni Senator Alan, Senate President Alan, no? And apparently all of the, I think most of the majority was there, no? Tapos, meron po kasing konting handaan doon na simple dinner. Tapos habang kumakain po kami, may narinig kaming putukan na. So, kala namin fireworks, no? And then when we discovered that it was, we actually only found out that it was gunfire nung sinindihan na namin yung television. And then, the first thing we did was to call Senator Bato to check if he was okay. And luckily, he was okay naman. Nakasecure naman siya sa office niya.
Ay, so, attorney, tama ba yung pagkaintindi ko? Kayo po ay naroroon kasama ng ibang mga majority sa office ni Senate President Cayetano, pero si Senator Bato naiwan po sa kanyang tanggapan, pero pareho po itong nasa 5th floor.
No, it's different floor po kasi yung kay Senate President sa mas mababa na floor yan. Tapos sa 5th floor po yung kay Senator Bato. Second floor kasi yung kay Senator Alan. But however, we were in communication naman, and when we found out that he was safe, kahit paano, napanatag na yung loob namin, ano.
Pero bakit po, attorney, hiwalay si Senator Bato de la Rosa when you were discussing yung legal remedies po para sa kaso po niya?
Hindi, kakatapos lang nga namin mag-discuss. Nag-break lang kami literally to have dinner. Eh dito po kasi ang custom nila, nagla-lunch sila dun kay Senator Jinggoy, tapos dinner, kuminsan sagot ni Senator Alan. Kami naman nakikisama lang dahil wala naman kami ibang makainan dito.
Kanina
And
po,
then we separated just for dinner.
okay, just for dinner. Kanina po, no, bago nangyari yung mga putukan, ay sabi nung Senate reporter namin dyan, si Mian Los Baños, ay nakita yung elevator no, na gumalaw from dun sa floor ni Senator Bato de la Rosa, tapos pababa, tapos bumalik agad. Ano po ang nangyari po dun sa between that time po? Kasi ang sinasabi po nila, parang on the move si Senator Bato.
Hindi po. Nandito po si Bato sa building.
Oh, yeah, within the building naman po, yes.
Oo. Wala naman ganun, ma'am, na hindi ko alam kung may ibig sabihin yan, ma'am. Kasi, wala naman. I don't know if that means anything. I guess someone else knows more about that. Kami po, basta ang alam lang namin is secure siya sa 5th floor and that's it.
Attorney, kanina po may nabanggit si Senate President Cayetano na meron din daw pong ilan doon sa mga kasamahan nilang senador yung nakatanggap daw ng information na baka may mangyari dyan, alis na kayo. Kayo po ba, nakuha nyo rin po yung info na yon? Ano po yung nakarating sa inyo?
Kasi po, ang balita lang doon sa iba na may 4 daw na senador or 5, it's an unverified count. May a few senators na natawagan supposedly na umalis na daw, leave because may mangyayari. So obviously, that takes away accident from the equation. Ibig sabihin, this was premeditated. Ngayon, ang problema, kaya wala masyadong naniwala naman doon, kasi hindi naman nag-alisan yung mga staff nila. So kung totoo naman yan, siguro naman out of the spirit of self-preservation, siguro naman nag-alisan sila, wala namang pala.
Dahil po sa nangyari ngayong gabi, no, may putukan, ang daming gulo kanina nangyari po, no. Si Senator Bato de la Rosa ba, ano pong plano? Ay magsistay lang po muna dyan sa Senado o as soon as mag-lift yung lockdown ay will find ways para ilabas po ang senator?
Kasi po, kami po, as lawyers, ma'am, all we can do is to keep availing of all the available legal remedy. So, yun ang pinag-uusapan lang namin. As for his physical safety, I will really leave it up to him, no? Kasi we honor his decision. That's autonomy niya, no, over his body, no? Pero sa mga naririnig ko, parang wala naman siyang balak umalis, no?